Advertising is not something we've done in about 10 years. We just simply haven't done it because it's always been a case that we have way more work than we could possibly ever do. And there was a point where you just need to get your name out there, and there's a point where you need to do some advertising. You need to be at home shows. You need to make people aware that you exist. You need to align yourself with certain programs and people. But if you start doing good work and you attract good people and you have a good business model that's customer-centric, what happens is, yes, you get a ton of referrals.
It's not like we're in trying to high pressure somebody to buy something. We're in so we can educate the customer, educate them about their home, and then they can make choices that make sense for them without any kind of pressure. So that's a great way to do business, not having to sell something or pressure somebody into buying something that they don't want. We just don't need to do business that way. Our process is strictly educational. You know, when you figure out this whole process of education and how to make a customer happy and send you a 5-star Google review, is that they're going to refer others. And then you're just blessed with a lot of business that's coming your way off of referrals. So you're not having to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on marketing because you've got a lot of referrals just coming your way. And so, we have 10,000 plus maintenance agreement customers right now, and we just get a ton of business constantly being referred to us because of our customer base.